N is for narwhal swimming in the sea. O is for orca splashing happily. P is for panda munching bamboo. Q is for quail so small and quick. R is for rabbit with ears so tall. S is for seal splashing in the bay. T is for turtle slow and sweet. U is for unicorn magical and neat. V is for vulture flying up high. W is for walrus big and round. X is for X-ray fish glowing in the blue. Y is for yak furry and strong. Z is for zebra black and white. Let's sing our ABC with animals showing us the way. Clap your hands and sing along, learning letters with this song.